Hey everybody, I just wanted to show you an easy way if you want to get the skate spot on your bike and you have a bike rack, any kind of bike rack. This one has this wood top. Probably the ones with just the slats are even better, but just wanted to show you like how to attach your skateboard on there so it doesn't move around, and it's real easy. You don't have to buy one of those $50 skateboard holder racks, PA racks, but all you need is a bungee cord, skateboard. That's what's cool about this way. Size doesn't really matter as long as it's not a longboard. But all you do is get your bungee cord, just put it under the trucks like this, and then I'm gonna see the best way to show you this. Pull the bike out a little bit, but then you just kind of rest your top trucks just on the top of the rack there. Yeah, I'm gonna have to turn the bike around. So, you got the top trucks just resting on top of the rack, and then what I do is I just bring these around underneath the top, the top platform of the rack, both ends, and then kind of double them over. So you pull this as tight as you can, and then double them over like this, and then just attach the bungees like as depends on what size bungee cord you have and all that junk. Like you just want to find a place where you can get it like as tight as possible. Probably just depends on which rack you have, like how easy it is, but that's not bad at all. Like look, it's on there. Show you from this angle. Board's on there. It'll move like this, but it won't hit your wheel. It won't fall off. It's going on bumpy roads. I mean, it's not touching the frame or anything. It's going like that big bump. So you've got curves and everything, and it just holds it on tight. So I've been doing this for like a week or two now, and it's just a really convenient way and fast, easy way to hook it to your bike without it looking too stupid. All right.